Bhagavatam, 10th canto, chapter 47, text 17. Today we will discuss this verse. This is Radharani's Prajalpa. While Krishna sent Uddhava as a messenger to the gopis and also to Nanda Maharaj and Yashoda. So after meeting Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj, the next day Uddhava is meeting the gopis, the damsels of Vrindavan. So here in 10 Radharani speaks, that is called Chitra Jalpa. This is Divya Unmad, transcendental madness, that is. So in this verse, Radharani says, Mrugayuriva kapindram vibhyade lugdharma striyam akrita virupam strijita kamayanam badim api badim atva veshtayat dhankyavajah tadalam asita sakhi dustyaya tatkathartha. So, in the previous verse, Radharani says, how can there be any sandhi, or how can there be any reconciliation? Because he doesn't care for us, so we will not have any thought of him, or we will not make any friendship with him. So, this verse is told by Radharani that totally nanu अति कोमलमना स्वत्वामेव धायं तत्र अस्माभिः दृश्यत इति. If Uddhava says that or that bee, bumblebee, if he says that actually Krishna is very soft-hearted and he is always meditating upon you, always I see he is meditating upon you. In that to reply to that question, to that point, Radharani says, Tatra tam arvachino dasas tasya tattvam na janasi. You are a recent servant. We know him better since long. Na kevalam asmineva janmani kathura kintu purva janmaswapi iti purnamasi Mukhat Ashmavi Sutadityaha. Not only he is very kathura, he is very hard, and not only in this life, or cruel, whatever you may call, but in his previous lives also we know him. From Purnamasi we have heard. Yada sa Kshatriya jatu Ramachandra abhu tada Kshatriya dharmam parityajya mrugayo vyadha eva kapinam indram badinam bibhyada. When he was Ramchandra, he was born in the Kshatriya Yuga, he was born in a Kshatriya family, and at that time he killed Kapindra. Kapindra means Badi, the brother of Sugriva. He made friendship with Badi, Sugriva, and killed Badi. He is just like a Banar. Banar means monkey species. He killed him just like Nirdaya Gupta Sanityartha. Though he is a Kshatriya, but he did not kill him in front of him. He killed him in back. That is like a Vyadha or a hunter. And also, Adharma Kathapi Nirdaya Gupta Adharma Kathapi Tadupakhyane Gya. Though a hunter kills an animal, but any hunter doesn't kill any monkey, because monkey's meat is not eaten by anybody, so it cannot be sold. So Vyadha doesn't kill a monkey. But here Ramchandra is so cruel that he killed that person, killed that monkey, and also not only that sort of a religion, he is having so much religious activities. What are they? They are Striyam, Striyam Akrita Virupam Strijita Kamayanam. When Surpanakha approached him, because he was very beautiful and Surpanakha was young, so she wanted to marry him. She approached him in that for that reason. But Lord, I mean, Radharani doesn't think him as a Lord. He thinks, she thinks that he is just a Kshatriya king. But he did not accept her request, but simply caught her nose and ears through Lakshmana. It's like you may say that okay, it out of vairagya, out of renunciation, he has killed her. No, he has killed her on the advice of Sita Devi, another his wife, on the advice of another woman. He killed that woman. He cut off that nose and ears of Surpanakha, so that nobody can marry her. So that nobody can marry her. This is his cruelty. Again, during the golden age, during the Satyayuga, Bali is there. Bali Maharaj, who is a Mahajana, is a Prahlad's grandson, Bali, and he went to him as Vamandev, as a dwarf Brahmin. He went to him and just asked 3 feet of land, small feet, because he is having a small stature. So his feet are very small, and he showed that feet. Samitani padam mama, padani trini Datyendra, Samitani padam mama, Datyendra, I want only 3 feet of land. Measuring my feet, just showed his feet, very small feet. And Bali Maharaj thought, what you do with this sort of land? It is such a small plot of land, what you will do? But he showed his universal form, and 2 feet he measured the entire universe, 14 worlds, entire universe. And he cheated, not only cheated him, but also threw that person, the Bali Maharaj, to the Sutar Loka, to the underworld. That is his cruelty. Then Bali, and just like another thing is Dhankavat. Dhankavat is like a crow. Crows, what they say and they do, that they take away the food of a person who gives them food and kills them like that, like a crow. So, if Uddhava will say that, then in that case, then why you are reprimanding him or just criticizing him so much? Then why do you think of him? You always think of him. I see. You always think of him. And duschyaja tat katha artha. That alam asita sakhi. Too much of our friendship with him. But we cannot give up his thought. Katha artha. That katha and pastimes of that person. His lila, his pastimes, we cannot give up, because we get so much pleasure, we get so much bliss in releasing the pastimes of that person. Though he is so much cruel, but we release that katha, that is artha, that is our transcendental money, so to say. Everyone is after money, but no one knows about this spiritual money or transcendental money. This katha, these topics of the Lord, pastimes of the Lord, that is also real artha, real prayojana. The 3 tattvas in Veda. One is sambandha, avidya and prayojana. This prayojana tattva is Krishna prema. So his katha, his pastimes or his talk gives us prema, Krishna prema. So in this verse, it is called as it is a one kind of jalpa. What is that jalpa? And this piece of Radharani is called avajalpa. That means saintly persons have concluded that when a lover, impelled by jealousy and fear, declares that Lord Hari is unworthy of her attachment because of his harshness, lustiness and dishonesty, such speech is called avajalpa. So in this way, this jalpa will continue. We will conclude our speech. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.